Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Journal of Standard 11, subject is account. So this is the 6th part of the same video, and today we are going to see the transaction through the bank. First 5 part is linked in the description. So transaction through bank means transaction through bank means those transactions that in a business we are doing through the bank. So here, as we know, that very first transaction we are doing is we are depositing cash in the bank. For that, cash is going from the business, so cash account debit, and bank is the receiver, so bank account credit. So journal bank account debit. So journal entry will be bank account debit to cash. The other transaction is we are withdrawing cash from the bank. For that, cash is coming in the business, so cash account debit to bank account. And next we are depositing check in the bank. For the depositing bank check in the bank, we are giving the check to the bank, so debit the receiver, so bank account debit to respective party account. And again when we are making payment through bank, so respective expense account debit to bank account, that journal entry is supposed to pass. When we are receiving interest from the bank, bank interest is our income, so bank account debit to bank interest account, that journal entry is supposed to pass. And when bank is debiting any bank charges is our expense. For that, bank charges account debit to bank, that journal entry is supposed to pass. So these are the some journal entry we supposed to pass when there is a transaction through bank. Let's try to see the same with the help of sum, and here is your sum. Write the journal entry in the books of Sri Vasant Traders for the following transaction. So journal entry in the books of Vasant Traders. So as we know how to write the journal entry, there is a structure of journal entry that we know nicely. Okay, so this is our structure for the journal entry. And here we are solving the example number 6. Okay, so here date, particular, ledger folio number, debit rupees, credit rupees. Let's see the transaction number 1. A current account is opened with SBI Bank by depositing 20,000. So as we know that SBI is a receiver of the amount. So person account, rules of the person account debit the receiver. So bank account is debit, and real account rules credit what goes out. So cash is going out of the business. So cash account credit. First journal entry that we are The amount will be 20,000. Being rupees 20,000 deposited in bank. To open a bank account. So that was the first transaction. Now let's see the second. Goods of rupees 5,000, amount of which directly deposited in bank. So goods sold of rupees 5,000. So here sales account, as you know, is going to be credit, and here the amount is deposited in bank. So bank is the receiver of the amount. So bank account is going to be debit. So journal entry will be bank account debit to sales. And here the amount is at 5,000. B. Goods of rupees 5,000 sold. And amount deposited in bank. So that was the second transaction. Now let's see the third transaction. Furniture of rupees 10,000 is purchased. Payment made through check. So furniture is coming in the business. So furniture account debit, and the giver is a bank. So bank account credit. Our journal entry will be furniture account debit to bank account. And the amount will be 10,000. B. Furniture of rupees 10,000 purchase, and amount paid by check. So this was the journal entry. Now let's see the next, that is date number 8. Withdraw from bank rupees 400 for personal expense and 700 for office expense. So here personal expense will be debited to drawing account, and the next we have withdraw some amount for the office expense. That for that cash account is going to be debit. So drawing account debit, cash account debit to bank account. For that, as we know that it is 400, then the 700, and total will be 1,100. Total will be 1,100. Being rupees 400 withdraw for personal use, and rupees 700 for office expense. Now next is date number 10. A check of rupees 1,500 received from Virat. So Virat is a giver and bank is a receiver. So bank account debit to Virat account. Being a check of rupees 1 cash to Parthiv, out of which 50% amount is received by check. So here we have sold the goods to Parthiv, and half amount he has paid by check and half amount he has paid by cash. So here half of the 3000 will be 1500. So bank account debit 1500, cash account debit 1500 to sales account. So that journal entry supposed to be for the 15. Cash account debit, bank account debit, 2 sales account. Here half amount means 1500, 1500, and here 3000. Being goods of rupees 3000 sold, half amount paid by check. So that was the 15 number. Now let's see the next transaction, that is a fire insurance premium 450 and life insurance premium 300 paid by check. So fire insurance is a office expense and life insurance is a drawing. So fire insurance expense account debit, drawing account debit to bank. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. So next, fire insurance premium account debit, drawing account debit to bank account. So here fire insurance is a 450 and life insurance is a 300. So total will be 750. Being fire insurance of 450 and life insurance of rupees 300 paid by check. So that's it. Now next, a check of dividend warrant of rupees 200 deposited in bank. So dividend is our income. So income account is going to be credit and the check is received by bank. So bank account is going to be debit. So our journal entry will be bank account debit to dividend. And the amount will be 200. Being rupees 200 dividend received. Now next is of 25. A bank has credited rupees 100 for bank interest and debited 50 for bank charges. So here bank interest is our income. For that journal entry will be bank account debit to bank interest, and for bank charges account debit to bank. The journal entry is supposed to be passed. So for the 25 we are going to pass 2 journal entry, and from that first journal entry will be bank account debit to bank interest. And that will be 100. Being bank interest received. Rupees 100. Next journal entry will be bank charges to bank. B for 50 rupees. B. Bank charges of rupees 50 debited. Next journal entry will be of date 38. A check of rupees 800 issued to Param as final settlement. So we have to pay some amount to Param, and for that we have issued a check. So for that Param is a receiver. So Param account debit to bank. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. So for that Param account debit to bank account. It will be 800. B. A check of rupees 800 issued to Param. Next and last journal entry will be is a check is received from Sivaji of rupees 600. So for that, as we are receiving check, bank account debit to Sivaji, that journal entry is supposed to be passed. And the amount is 600. Here, being a check of rupees 600. Check of rupees 600 received from Sivaji. So this is how we supposed to record the transaction through bank. Now let's make the total of this, and the total of this will be here 43,100. Total. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for